calling Smallville 21 Restaurant. By the way, I'm Leslie. How may I help you?
I want to have a reservation.
Before anything else, may I ask your full name, please?
3.
I'm Justine K. Ardales.
When do you wish to have your reservation, ma'am?
On October 1, 2024.
At what time, ma'am?
At 7 p.m.
Good for how many persons, ma'am?
Good for 2 person, please.
By the way, ma'am, may I ask your contact number, please?
0951-106-0450.
By the way, ma'am, may I repeat the details of your reservation?
Okay, sure.
So, ma'am, your details of your reservation, your name is Justine K. Ardales. The date of your reservation is October 1, 2024. The time of your reservation is 7 p.m. Good for 2 persons. And your contact number is 09511-060-450. Did I get it correctly, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you for calling Smallville 21 Restaurant. Hope to see you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.